Oh, he caught it midair. Oh, he dropped it. Somebody else snagged it. What?
Something got on me for a sec.
Oh, the big one did get it. Look at that. They're slow compared to them little ones. I caught it midair.
That one has it right there.
We should go get a bag of bird food.
Is that the mama? That one right there.
The one that just got it? Those
Yeah.
are different birds, honey. Those are like 4 or 5 different birds. I hit him in the back and he didn't get it.
No.
Raining bread. That's all that one.